Welcome back, my friends. Hope you're good. Hope you're all brilliant. In between this video and our last one, I just want to thank you very much for the people we've had round. We've had some fantastic people round, and we've met so many nice new moms and dads of our French Bulldog so that we've recently just managed to find lovely 5-star homes for. Guys, in this video, we've just got our pugs out. They're 6 weeks old as I'm filming this video, and they're going around like mad. So I just thought, why not? We're going to do some pug play time. Hope you enjoy, guys. Thanks so much for watching again, guys. Totally appreciate you stopping by the channel. If you haven't already, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below and also hit the subscribe button as well for more of these videos. We'll try and pop out one of these videos every few days. So it'd be great to have you back again. As always, my friends, take care and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks so much for stopping by. Bye.